Hi guys, my name's James. Welcome to another one of our videos. Today we've got a video on a Taycan 4S that's come in for a security upgrade. We're going to run you through some details on that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. But now, let's go. Okay guys, so we're in the Taycan 4S. What we've installed today is a Ghost 2 Autowatch Immobiliser. What this does is this stops the vehicle from being able to be driven away. It's really useful at the moment with all these cars that have got keyless go, keyless entry. It means that people can't clone that signal from your key and steal your vehicle when you're not around it. So essentially what you have to do is put in a unique code between 4 and 20 characters to enable the vehicle to be able to drive away. In the case of the Taycan, what it does is you turn the vehicle on and then it gets itself started up, but you can't drive it away. It comes up with an issue saying transmission failure if you haven't put in your code. So I can't put this vehicle into drive, it won't let me take it away. Instead, and for demo purposes only, we've got a specific code here, but this can be programmed to anything you like between 4 and 20 characters. So when we want to drive the vehicle away, and you've got into it, you've unlocked it, you start the car up, put in your unique code, which for us is up, down, on the mirror control panel, and then it'll let me engage drive, you can take the car away. It's really intuitive, it's really unique. There's lots of different variations of buttons you can use on the code for this to make it completely personal to yourself as well. You can use the driver's window buttons, you can use the telephone buttons on the steering wheel, the mirror adjustment buttons. You can really make it a unique code that just you knows. Obviously this might raise questions about things like services or lending the car to a friend or a valet. There's a valet mode essentially, which lets the car be driven with a unique code until that's reset, but if they go above a certain speed limit, that will also reset the immobiliser again, so the next time the vehicle is started, it won't start. So that's the Ghost 2 Autowatch Immobiliser that we've installed on this Taycan 4S. If you want to know about this for your Taycan, send us a message on any of our social media or give us a call. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you very much for watching.